TCA occurs in aerobic condition or anaerobic condition? We all know that TCA occurs in aerobic condition. But let me tell you that no enzyme of TCA is using oxygen. As such, directly, no enzyme is using oxygen, right? Then, my question is, why TCA cannot occur in anaerobic condition? Why TCA cannot occur in anaerobic conditions? Okay, so let's understand. See, suppose oxygen is not there, then TCA will occur initially, just initially for few seconds or minutes, right? Oxygen not there, TCA will occur because no enzyme of TCA is using oxygen, right? But when TCA will occur, then what will happen? NADH will be formed, FADH2 will be formed, right? Normally they have to go into ETC, right? But ETC requires oxygen, and in this situation we don't have oxygen, so ETC will not occur. When ETC will not occur, then this NADH and FADH2 will start accumulating. It will start accumulating, right? So what will happen? That NAD, FAD, they are depleted. Obviously, NADH and FADH2 are accumulating, means NAD, FAD depleted, right? They are depleted, so TCA will stop because TCA requires NAD and FAD for it to work, right?